Hey guys, it's Heritage and welcome to my channel. This is my first official video and I'm so excited to start this journey with you all. I thought I'll make it fun by spinning a wheel to pick a random theme. And guess what? It landed on beach day. So today I'm creating a character who's totally ready for the beach. Cute, stylish, and summer vibe. Approve. Let's get into it. So, while I get into the thing, I'm gonna enter free play mode. Yes. So we can do our stuff without interruptions. So while it's loading, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So here I am, right here. So like I said, it's beach day. So let's change our skin tone to tan. This tan, because when you're at the beach you like tanning. Let's pick up eyes. It's loading. Okay, well, I'm thinking this or this. I don't know. I choose this because like when you're on the beach, I don't think you like to like dress up that much. It doesn't look yeah. So maybe let's see. Maybe this? Yeah, this is okay. She looks so good. Let's see. Now, let's look for some swimsuit. I keep forgetting that there's a summer update and I keep going to that side, but it's okay. Now let's find the swimsuit area. Some people are like dressing so good, even if like it's free play mode. Trying to find where the swimsuits are. Give me 1 sec. The summer update is like not sticking into my brain, but we can add this flower. So it's like, yeah, it's kind of giving Hawaii vibes, but it's still like beach. Alright. Let's just try to look for this swimsuit. It should be in clothes section, but I don't see it there. I think I'll have to make a swimsuit by myself, which I really don't want to do, because the swimsuit they have is like really good. Not the best, but good. If I can take, I don't have that much seashells. Sad. Now I have to make one. Gosh. Let's see. I don't know what it's gonna make. Oh, I think if I just put on this and then make the pattern maybe like this one. This. I will also change the this. But I need something to cover up the belly because I want it to be like a one piece. You know what I mean? Maybe you guys found like the swimsuit, but I still can't find it. Ooh, that looks good. Now, maybe I should take off the shirt. What do you think? I mean, not the shirt. Yeah. Better. Now that that's done, I think We should find some hat. But I love this swimsuit. It's giving real tropical vacation. Like, for real. I'm still sad I didn't find a swimsuit that was there before, but it's okay. Now hat. I'm thinking this hat. Maybe this hat. I don't know if I should actually give her a hat, but she doesn't want me. I'm thinking like maybe she shouldn't get that much sunburn. Not that. Maybe this. No, that's okay. And then let's just sign her some sunglasses. Yes to the sunglasses. Always yes to the sunglasses. Okay, she got the whole look. First, let me find the slipper. There we go. Now she got the whole look. She's ready for beach day and a photo shoot. If I had the outfit in real life, I'd be ready all summer. Okay, let's get our nails. She looks like she just walked out of a summer playlist music video. Not gonna lie. And then what color should we pick? The blue? Yeah, let's pick blue. Maybe this shade? What do you guys think? Now, I always know this, but like, every time I put on like nails, it always goes up. So I have to go there. And this is it. Let's work the runway. Let's do spring in front. Okay guys, let's work the runway. Doesn't she look pretty? Summer vibes, beach day vibe. Yes, girly. That's what we like. Nice girl. Now, and there she is, my first character, and she's totally slaying beach day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I've got way more themes coming up, so stay tuned and spin back here next time. Bye.